What's up guys, it's your boy here again, King Jizla, and today, as you can see, I have my students here. He goes by the name yeah, and on my right I have Ruga. Yeah, these are my guys. So today our class will be full. Yeah, so today we are going to do the song Rush by Ayrastar. Yeah, Rush by Ayrastar. This is our choreography from, she goes by the name Mumboa. Yeah, so big up. So we are going to start. It's just easy. So the first step, you see your right leg, you do like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, we go 5 6 7, we go, and 1 2 3 4 5. So when you're here, you do like ha. It's like you want to kiss someone, like ah. Okay, so we start from the top. 5 6 7, we go, and 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so when you do like 1, you return your leg to the position where it was, like 1 2. Okay, so we start from the top. 5 6 7, we go, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 5 6 7 8. So 5 6 7 8. Again 5 6 7, we go, and 1 2 3 4. We start from the top. 5 6 7, we go, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So when we reach here, you do like, you swing right side, left side. Okay, we go 5 6 7, we go, swing to the right, then to the left. Okay, so 1 2, then your right hand 1, then your left hand 2 3 4, then you drop 1 2 3 4. We start from here. 5 6 7, we go, 1 2 3 4, ha 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 ha. So here you do like 1 2. Okay, like ha ha, 1 2, up. We start from the top. 5 6 7, we go, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 1 2, up, then 1 2 3 4. Okay, we start again. 5 6 7, we go, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and 1 2 1 2, up, drop, 1 2 3. Okay, so this one you do 3 times. 1 2 3 4. So you go like 1 2, then 1 2 3. Okay, so like 1 2, up, then 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, it's okay, it's good. We start from the top again. 5 6 7, we go, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, go, swing, 1 2 1 2, up, drop, 2 3, then 1 2 3. Nice. Again. 5 6 7, we go, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, then 1 2 1 2, up, drop, 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay, so you do like 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, then 1 2. Okay, so we go 5 6 7, we go, 1 2 3, drop, 1 2, then 1 2. Oh, we start with 1 2. So 1 2. Yeah, so you do like 1 2 1 2. Okay, we go 5 6 7, we go, 1 2 1 2. It's like you're fighting. It's like you're fighting. We start from here. 5 6 7 1 2, then 1 2 3 1 2 3, drop, 1 2, boom boom. Okay, we start from the top, or from here. Let's start from let's say here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we go, 1 2 3 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, up, drop. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, that's nice. Sorry about that. Again, 5, 6, 7. We go. 1, 2, right, left. Sorry, just like a something. Don't worry. We are going to start. Let's just start from the top. Okay, 5, 6, 7. We go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, drop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Hey. Okay, don't worry about that. Hey, we start again from the top. 5, 6, 7. We go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, then drop. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Drop. 1, 2. Boom, boom. Okay. So when you are here, you go like like 1, 2, with your, what do we call these things? With your heels. Good student. So you do like 1, 2, It's like you're forcing yourself to go forward, like 1, 2. Drop, drop, drop. Okay, we go 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. You look at the back, like 1, 2, 3. Boom, boom. 1, 2. So we start from here. 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. So when you're here, you've done twice. You do like 1, 2, 3, 4. We start again from here. Let's start from here, or we start from the top. From where? From here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start from here. 5, 6, 7. We go. Drop there. 1, 2. We go. Pam, pam, boom, boom. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're here, you do like 1, 2. You turn. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then right, 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 right. 4 times. Okay. We start again from here. 5, 6, 7. We go. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Turn. Boom, boom. 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want us to start from the top until where we have reached. We go, and 5, 6, 7. We go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go, and 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, drop. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Drop. Then 1, 2. Then we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Turn. Bum, bum. 1, 2. Twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. We go again. 5, 6, 7. We go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2. So this one you go like 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we are at this point, there's the hook part. Me not got the time. Okay, you do like me. You step with your right leg, with your right hand touching your left part of your heart. Let's say like your chest. Okay, 1, 2. So like me not got the time. You step 1, 2. Then the same left leg. You do like this for the head. Okay, we start 5, 6, 7. We go. We not get the time for the head and the bud. You've removed your left leg, then you bring it back. Okay, like 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, we start 5, 6, 7. We go. We not get the time for the head and the bad energy. Okay, you do like who. 1, 1, 2. Okay, 1, we try 5, 6, 7 we go. Me not got the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. You do like, you see the way you do like this, like this, like this. So you do like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it's 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, Okay, we start from here. The hook 5, 6, 7. We go. Me not got the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind, my money. Like broccoli. Then you jump like this. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's like you're slapping someone or spanking someone. Okay, we do like, we start from here. 5, 6, 7. We go. Me not get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind, my money. Make you do like broccoli. Make it 1, 2. So you do once. 1, 2. Then your right leg behind, like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we go 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You put your hands like this, like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We go 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's start from the hook part. 5, 6, 7. We go. Me not got the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make it dance like make it like broccoli. Once, back, 1, 2, then 3, like this. So you do like 1, 2. You just use your right leg. You do like this, like you're standing. Yeah, you see. Yeah, like a Maasai, we don't have the rongos. So you do like 1 with your shoulders raised and your hands like this. So you do like 1. Okay, so 1 ta 1 pa 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 4 times. Okay, we try. 5, 6, 7. We go 1 pam pam pam. Then ha. Okay, you just point. Whoever is in front of you, you just point him like this. Okay, we try again. 5, 6, 7. We go 1 pam 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 then 1, 2. Okay, let's try from here, from the hook. 5, 6, 7. We go. Me no got the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. 1, 2, 3. Make it dance like broccoli. To the back. 1, 2, then 1 pa 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 then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you just do twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times, like 1, 2, 1, 2, then okay, you do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like the way you walk and do like this. Okay, you just do like that, but slower with like a vibe. Okay, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just repeat that part because it's the chorus. You the rush, well, you the more, and then the count down, again. Me the rush, well, do the the 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start from the hook part, then we start from the top. Okay, 5, 6, 7. We go. Me not got the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind, my money. Okay, make you dance like broccoli. Back like this. 1, 2, then hit, pam pam pam, point there, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Me the rush, well to the man, da da dum 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 da da. 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2 again. Me the rush, well to the ha. Then okay, the choreo. That's where the choreo reaches. So we are going to start from the top. Okay, if you've dash it, we are going to do it together, then you can try it with the song. Okay, so let's try from the top. Okay, from here, 5 6 7, we go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, swing 1 2 1 2, up drop 1 2 3, then 1 2 3, down 1 2, ha ha, front 1 2, boom boom, 1 2, turn, boom boom, 1 2, then 1 2 3, chorus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 1 2 3, boom pa, 1 2 3, jump, then 1 behind, let's go, 1 2, step, boom boom boom, ha ha, then 1 2 3, with the rush, well do the ha, let's go like this, 1 2 3, then front, 1 2 3, again with the rush, well to the ho, again, hunting there, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then you can pull yourself up and do like 1 2 3 4. That's just like a flavor.
Some people know they too like talk. Animals they in human form. Body man nobody like walk. But you must hustle if you want job. If no finish they won't fight us. If them they run they no fit catch up. I know the form say you're too righteous. No come the form say you're too like us. Me no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. Say the green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want. Telling me couldn't have my fantasy. They want to check if my time be no rush. But it the rush, well, it be mad. Like how they make my top, it the rush. The kind money we charge. Yeah, it the rush, well, it be mad. No be hype, everybody the crash. There's no darling with us. No darling.
So guys, my choreo reaches there, the class for today reaches there, and so I'm hoping to be teaching you each and every day together with my buddies here. Yeah, so you can just follow them in their social media handles. He goes by the name at Dark Lemore.
Yeah, Dark Lemore, ASO.
Yeah.
Gram, TikTok, Dark Lemore.
Everywhere. And this boy,
Incredible Reese at TikTok and Instagram.
Incredible Reese everywhere. So me, I go by the name King Jizla, and my videographer here, you can find him at Kajiado Oxygen. Yeah, in every platform, be it WhatsApp, be it TikTok, be it Gram, be it Facebook, be any place. Okay, so thank you for watching. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and I'm hoping to be seeing you each and every time. Just leave a comment there if you find it amazing, if you want me to do a dance that you like. I am here for you. Yeah, so thank you. Keep it King Jizla, and don't forget to subscribe to Ama 111. Yeah, so if you want to find, by the way, our choreography, they are at 111 Dance Academy. Go and check all our choreos. If you want to learn any, I'm here for you. So thank you, until next time.